Hello there, my name is Squalo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video we're gonna briefly talk about Bitcoin, and then we're gonna talk about Terra Luna and what happened to it and how it went from 50 cents all the way to $30 and reason why it dropped so hard, and whether you should consider selling your Luna airdrop if you've received it, and whether you should actually consider even buying Luna. So without any further ado, hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified when I make a new upload, because we're currently in Monaco doing a lot of crazy stuff, and today I won't be able to make another video. So that's why for this video, guys and girls, please leave me a like. Let's get to 2,000 likes. Would be really awesome to see all your support, and as always, thank you all very much for all your support already. And we've just hit 100,000 subscribers, which is absolutely epic and absolutely incredible. Thank you all for all your support, all your likes, and just in general for just being here with us all together. And thank you all for my huge Telegram community as well, because we are growing on Telegram, a huge network of people and traders and communicating and talking about different things. And by the way, you can join my Telegram channel, which is free, and oftentimes I post much faster in Telegram than on YouTube when the market is on the move. So join it, it's in the description, it's very simple and it's free. Okay, so without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. Yes, for the 100,000 subscribers, I really want to do some kind of a cool giveaway. So let me know what kind of a giveaway should I do down in the comments, because my Instagram is still disabled. We're going to get it back probably in the next week or two, hopefully. And that's when I'm going to do a big giveaway. So tell me what kind of a giveaway you would like to see. All right, so let's get to it. So we're still, in terms of Bitcoin, really going to cover it real fast. So right now we are still being squeezed in here in between these two levels, and we have to see a breakout sooner or later. Currently, it seems like the 4-hour chart might be closing in about an hour and 30 minutes. Might be closing above, but we're really not seeing any volume. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to post in Telegram if I'm going to take any trades or not. But yeah, for now, it's just really slow and the volume is just going down and we're just going sideways. So for now, I'm just going to stay put, and I'm going to update you guys in Telegram channel. So join it right now. And let's quickly move. And remember that the Nasdaq and S&P 500, they actually closed very bullish, and we'll see how these markets open up tomorrow on Monday at 9:30 a.m. New York time, and we'll see how that's gonna affect Bitcoin, because sometimes there is correlation between Bitcoin and S&P 500 and Nasdaq, most of the time, of course, but sometimes there is deviation and inverse correlation. But sometimes Bitcoin, actually, when the other markets rally, Bitcoin catches up later on, so we could see some kind of a potential good move. But I'm gonna update you on that. So let's quickly talk about Terra Luna. And by the way, Bybit is still pretty much close to being the only one that has brand new Luna. Binance still doesn't have it, and that's why I love Bybit so much. And if you want to be trading Luna, you want to sell your Luna, or you want to buy Luna, then you can do it over on Bybit. And with my exclusive link, guys and girls, down in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, you will get up to $4,100 in deposit bonuses on top of your initial deposit. And also for 30 days, you'll get 0% maker fees, which is insane, and only with my exclusive link. And also in that link there is a video instruction of how to claim that bonus, which I made for you guys and girls, so that you can actually be guaranteed that huge bonus. So go ahead and check it out. Now, when it comes to this huge pump, again, it was listed on Bybit yesterday, and I love Bybit. They were the fastest to list Luna. That's why I love Bybit, honestly. And it went all the way from 50 cents to $30. Look at it, spot on, $30 on the top. And then it just crashed all the way down to like $3. So it's absolutely incredible. And the market cap went to like $4-something billion, and then went all the way down to the current market cap of Luna is like $1.2 billion, which is still, if you ask me, still huge for what it is. And the reason why, a lot of people are asking me, why did it crash so much? And the reason why is because when we had this pump right here on Bybit, there was no way to actually send in your Luna into Bybit. So you could trade it here on Bybit, but you couldn't send your airdrop into Bybit if you wanted to sell it. And as soon as Bybit actually opened up the ability to send in Luna, like you can send in Luna right now and you can sell it here if you don't believe in brand new Luna. And as soon as they opened the gates, a lot of selling pressure came in. So all the people that received their airdrops actually sent it to Bybit to just get it sold and forget about this Luna project, and they didn't really want anything to do with it, and they really didn't believe in it. And this is what I told you in the previous video, and as always, call me Mr. Spot On down in the comments, that I told you that buying Luna at about $30 or anywhere in this region, and you were above $5 if you're so inclined at all, is just a terrible idea. And I told you this yesterday, so I hope that you've listened to me. And yeah, so in this instance, you have to understand that, of course, those who received their airdrops and they sent in once they could at around $15, the price was at about $15, they could sell their Luna, their airdrops, and this is what took the price all the way down to below $4 basically. But the thing is, and a lot of people are saying, okay, so if everybody sold off, now we should take off to the moon. But the thing is that not everyone received their airdrop. That's number one. A lot of people are still going to get their airdrops. And of course, once Luna is going to be listed on all the exchanges, including Binance, there is still going to be huge selling pressure. And it could actually take the price even below 50 cents right here, potentially. So for that reason, I would still be looking out for a lot of people receiving their airdrops and selling it off, because I think that, and this is what I mentioned in a previous video as well, that a lot of people don't believe in this project anymore. So they had some old Luna, they got the brand new one, they're gonna sell it, at least somehow compensate compensate their losses on Terra Luna crash, and that's it, and be done with it. And don't forget, as I mentioned before, the Terra Luna itself currently, without the without a stable coin, this brand new ecosystem and blockchain basically, it's not gonna have really any value. Like 10% of the value is left here without a stable coin, and there's gonna be huge selling pressure coming in a lot currently as well. So I would stay away from Luna for the time being for sure. And we also have to understand that a huge portion of the brand new Luna tokens is going to be vested over the next years. So that means that those are going to become unlocked in the coming years, and there's going to be always continuous selling pressure on Luna. So that is something that you really have to keep in mind, guys and girls, and that's something that I think is going to prevent Luna from showing any kind of performance, even based on their existing huge community. So be very careful, be very mindful. And again, if you want to sell your Luna right now, the airdrop you received, use my link, use my bonus, get my bonus over on Bybit, and you can sell your Luna here and then trade here as well if you would like. It's a really good platform. And as always, peace and love, Thomas Krallo. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this video, and have an amazing Sunday, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.